Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Rose RS250 high fidelity network streamer and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on it. Now you might need to do this reset for two different reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the streamer will not connect to your network or to Wi-Fi, or if it won't update, or if it's not responding or frozen, any of these issues can be troubleshot with a hard reset to factory default settings. Now this will wipe everything off it and you'll have to set it up as new, which brings us to the second reason you might want to do this, which is if you want to set this up in a new space and just kind of set it up as a new device and get everything wiped off of it, we can go ahead and do that. So if you're ready, it's quite easy. All we're going to do is, we can just do it in a couple steps. With it turned on, we're going to come down here to the settings menu. And from the settings menu, we are then going to choose system settings. We're going to scroll down to system settings. And from system settings, we can choose factory reset. And we'll click on that, we'll hit OK, and that will reset this device to its factory default settings like it did when it came out of the box.